In this clip, we're going to discuss E for education. We've already talked about financial freedom, assets, passive income, property, pensions, mindset, and now we're on education. So, like a plant, you're either growing or dying. There's basically no just standing still. So, investing in yourself, like educating yourself, is the best investment you can make. You know, I hated school. And when I was about 20 or so, I was so relieved that I never had to study again, and I thought I'd finished my education. And in the last 5 years or so, I've learnt more than I've learnt in the rest of my life. And once I set a goal, once I reach a goal, I set another one. And it's not all plain sailing, and life gets in the way. There are always challenges. And people think, oh, once I've achieved that goal, then my life will be smooth. Learning is just about overcoming bigger and bigger challenges. So people would be bored if there was just no challenge, if there were no challenges ahead of them. So I don't really believe in that at all. So I would say learn something every single day, and you'll make a success of your life if you do.